Attendance device integration in Zoho People. There are different ways on how an employee can mark attendance in the system. Number 1 is through the Zoho People's web application. Number 2 is using the mobile application. And number 3 is the attendance device integrations. When we talk about attendance device integration, it can be further bifurcated into two. That is, the biometric or access card device integration, and number 2 is setting up kiosks. Let's start with the first option, integrating your biometric device with Zoho People. So when your organization is using a biometric device to capture the check-in and check-out entries of your employees, using this integration, the entries can be pushed to Zoho People as corresponding check-in and check-out entries. And this integration can either happen through APIs or through plugin method. When the data are pushed from the biometric device to Zoho People, it happens using a unique identifier, that is the employee ID. In Zoho People, we have a unique identifier, employee ID, which is assigned to every employee. In the same way, in the biometric device, a user ID is associated to each and every employee. If the employee ID and the user ID are same, then the integration is seamless. But in cases where the employee ID in Zoho People is different from the user ID available in the biometric device, user ID mapping has to be done in Zoho People for the integration. So let's see how to do the user ID mapping in the system. So navigate to the attendance module by clicking on the settings option. Go to attendance. And there you have this option, biometric ID mapping. So click on the option add user ID mapping. Select the employee name. And the mapper ID is nothing but the user ID that is mapped to the employee in the biometric device. So enter the mapper ID. And once this is done, click on submit. You can either do this user ID mapping for individual employees or click on the more option to do a bulk import. So once the user ID mapping is done, the integration can happen between the biometric device and Zoho People. So this is the first option. Number 2, you can also use a kiosk device to capture the attendance. In order to access the kiosk setup, click on settings, access the attendance module, and under configuration, you have kiosk setup. So kiosk is a facial recognition system that can capture an employee's check-in and check-out using the facial recognition option. So you can download the kiosk software into any of your devices such as laptops or tablets, and these devices are usually placed in the front desk of your organization. So whenever an employee enters the organization, kiosk captures their image and the same will be pushed to Zoho People as corresponding check-in and check-out entries. So kiosk is a perfect fit for any of your on-site attendance management like warehouses. So in order to add a kiosk device, click on the option add login credentials, enter the device name and give the email ID and password of the kiosk application. And then you can click on the save button. So in this way, you can add multiple kiosk devices to push the attendance entries into Zoho People. So these are all the two different methods to push data, that is the attendance data, into Zoho People. So there is one more option in the system which is called FTP plugin. So under configuration, we have the option of FTP plugin. So when you are doing the biometric integration, if there is a case where you don't want to install our plugin into your biometric server, then the safest way to transfer the biometric data from your device to Zoho People is through the FTP plugin option. So FTP plugin can be used in cases where the direct integration between the biometric device and Zoho People is not feasible. So these are all the options through which your attendance data can be directly integrated with Zoho People.